Hello, this is Chaz Bicknell with Realty One Group MVP coming to you from Vanderbilt Connors. I grew up 2 streets over from 1980 to 1986. I love this neighborhood. We used to spend almost every day out on the water, at least 5 or 6 days a week in the backwaters, sometimes in the Gulf. Wait until you see this beautiful 3-bedroom plus den home. Wow, I love the nice high ceilings. Let's check out the master suite first. High ceilings in here, lots of extra lights. Beautiful finishes throughout. See below for more details and information. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Beautiful large walk-in closet. Also, for more information on this community and to see all properties for sale in the area, go to www.vanderbiltconnors.com. See below for that URL as well. Wow, I love the high ceilings. This kitchen, I cook almost always at my house, and I would love a kitchen like this. This home was built up high, so even with the hurricanes, it appears to be nice and high and dry. For more information or to set up your own private showing, call me anytime at 239-272-4442. And now for my favorite part. The pool and the canal. We used to fish in these backwaters almost every day, right off the dock. Take the boat out sometimes. We'd catch all sorts of fish and crabs. And we'd swim in here, but make sure you're wearing booties or shoes. The barnacles will tear up your feet. Otherwise, nice pool and jacuzzi. What a great view. For more information, call me anytime at 239-272-4442. For all properties in Southwest Florida, go to my website at www.chazbicknell.com. Let me know how I can help you.